Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open the Google Play app on your Android device before redeeming the voucher. Make sure you have the physical or digital voucher code ready to enter. Sign in to the Google account you want to credit with the balance if you are not already signed in. Ensure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data for verification and code validation. Check that your Play Store app is updated to the latest version before proceeding. Keep the voucher receipt or confirmation email in case you need proof of purchase later. Tap your profile icon in the upper right corner, then choose Payments and Subscriptions to find Redeem Code. Press Redeem Code and focus on entering the voucher characters carefully to avoid mistakes. Enter the voucher code carefully, using uppercase letters and numbers exactly as shown on the voucher. If you have copy and paste available, use it to reduce errors and save time. Tap Redeem to apply balance and confirm when prompted on screen to complete the transaction. You will see an on-screen confirmation showing the credited amount. Check your new Play balance displayed under Payments and Subscriptions after redemption to verify the credited amount. Use the balance for apps, games, books, or subscriptions at checkout when purchasing on Google Play. Remember that some purchases may require a payment method for taxes or partial payments above the balance. If the code fails or shows an error, review the voucher terms and expiry date immediately. Contact Google Play support if problems persist or if the code was purchased from a third party within 30 days of purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.